Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online with Physics Wallah. First, create your account on the platform and choose the course that aligns with your learning goals. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. Also, set up a comfortable study area with all your essential materials, like notebooks and pens, ready to go. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. To maximize your learning, engage actively with the video lectures. Pause as needed to take thorough notes, ensuring you grasp each concept. After completing a topic, immediately attempt the practice problems to solidify your understanding. Don't hesitate to join live doubt-solving sessions. They are invaluable for clarifying questions. Consistent review of concepts will significantly enhance your retention and overall comprehension. Physics Wallah offers many features to support your studies. Download the provided lecture notes and supplementary materials for offline access and review. Regularly attempt the quizzes and mock tests to assess your understanding and identify areas needing improvement. Engage with the discussion forums to ask questions and learn from peers. Always monitor your progress through the personalized dashboard to stay on track with your goals. Consistency is key to success in online learning. Create a daily study schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Dedicate specific time slots for reviewing previously covered topics to ensure long-term retention. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones to maintain motivation. Remember, it's perfectly fine to seek help from mentors or fellow students if you encounter difficulties. Collaboration can be very beneficial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.